independent dance company na gusto namin i-express yung sarili namin in abstract form. Gusto rin namin i-express yung sarili namin sa sarili namin ng lengguwahe. Seven Contemporary Dance Company, we also are exposed to Wi-Fi Body every year. Lumalabas din po kami sa Party Pilipinas. So if events group din po kami, kung gusto niyo po kami i-invite, you can search us in Facebook and just contact us.
Artistic director po namin is Miss Tini. The pioneer members po are Christopher Legarde, Zaida Marie Baaya, Tikia Valdez, Mark Lauron, Joel Garcia, and Jairo Ibarrientos. Then other members are Joel C. Angeles, and then Eric Arenas, Mosh Ponferrada, Kite Balano, and yours truly, Madonna Tino. Sure.
Hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Ay, like us in Facebook, ah. Seven Contemporary Dance Company. Yun.